Alright, so hello and welcome guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are back with another hacking up challenge. Today we are solving HospitalHub. This is a broken access control based challenge, and our aim is to take over the full account of Chief of Medicine. And yeah, let's start the hub and see how it goes. So here we have our main application, and you can see right here. We got the credentials, test account, which is front desk, and password is password 123. Front desk password 123, and yeah, we are logged in. Okay, so the first rule of any broken access control based vulnerability to check, we have to press each and every feature we are seeing on the platform. And like, for example, is there any button or is there any feature we have to use? So use everything and then use your brain to analyze where we can possibly exploit the broken access control, right? So by following the first rule, we just press each and every feature we are seeing on the platform. uh, there is nothing on the dashboard section. Now we'll move to the patient records. We can see right here. And if I click view encounter, we got view ID and record ID. So let's roll it to something else. So what if I just change it to 1002? Nothing changed that much. 1003, nothing changed. 1004. So it remained constant. And what if I change this ID? Okay, so we got another user data by changing this ID. So, okay, we can try to change it to up to 100 user IDs. Let's try this. So let's send it to intruder and then intercept off and select this, select numbers, disable this from 00 to 99, and minimum integer digit should be 1, maximum integer should be 2. Okay, so we got around 100 pillows, right? Okay, fantastic. Let's start the attack and see what we get. Okay, so let's try searching flag over here. Okay, we got nothing. Let's search flag. Okay, we got something. So flag. Okay, we got the flag here. This is our first flag. So discard this and save it to the repeater. Okay. Now we got our first flag. Now we have to move to the other section, which is patients. And similarly, in the patient, there is no such functionality. What we can do is change the clinic ID. Okay, so clinic ID is working. What if I? Okay, we got another flag. I hope this is not. Yeah, we got another flag. And if we move to the other section, which is team, and I select view profile, we got total, profile, and 1. What if I change it to 2, 3? Okay, 3 is not working. 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 is working. 8, 9, and 10. Okay, so it says after 9, I don't think any user exists. So what we can try here, okay, we'll see it later. Our goal is to find all 5 flags. Okay, so let's try the staff, and it says access denied because my role is front desk. So now what we gonna do, we'll try to move to the next section, which is users, and this is the chief of admin user, which is Evelyn Harlan, and we have to take over his account, and we got the flag. Okay, there is nothing much on here. What we can okay, so there is nothing that much over here. Now we have to use our brain in order to identify where the IDs kind of thing are being used. Uh, let's in let's take a look at the traffic. Is there anything we could do? Search team. Maybe. Wait a second. We are using session is equal 42. why it is numeric. What if I just try this and profile 1 to normal profile? I guess so. Yeah, go to profile and we'll choose 42 instead, and we'll select numbers from 0 to 99. Step 1, minimum teacher digit should be 1 and maximum digit should be 2. Okay, fine. And start attack. Again, we're gonna search flag and see if there anything comes. Okay, we got 2 responses which contain flags. Let's see. We got flag API leak stuff. Copy it as and save it to the decoder. We got 3 flags. Let's check this one too. Okay, we got another flag. So we have 4 flags in our hand. Yeah, we got 4 flags now. Now what we can do? So it includes the password also. Password Kessler, and if we go here, password Morgan. So which account we have to take over? So we have to take over this user chief of medicine user account. So this is ID2. It should be probably ID1, I guess. So let's throw it to the repeater and change it to ID1. Let's see. Okay, yeah, Dr. Harlan, and we got the password, copy, full name, role, chief of medicine, password hash, auth token. We also got auth token. Okay, private notes, office calendar log. So I think we have to uh, look into the office calendar, I think. So let's just log in as Dr. Harlan. Okay, so we are logged in as Dr. Harlan and we have found our last flag. And yes, we solved this challenge and found all the flags. Okay, so that's it for this small challenge. If you like this video, you can probably share it to someone else, or you can subscribe to the channel, or you can comment down below. Okay, so that's it. Bye bye.